DHCP server step by step. At the end of this video, you are going to know how to configure a firewall, especially FortiGate, as a DHCP server. So this is the firewall and this is the topology that I'm going to use. The firewall is this one. This is the switch, two computers connected, working on this subnet. I'm going to use this to access this server in the browser. So to do that, already this is the CLI. The default username is admin. Password is empty. Then you are prompted to set a new password. After there, config system global set hostname Netlabs. After there, and I have configured the hostname, you can see. Then configure the LAN interface. Description. So you set description. Set mode static. It means this is I'm setting the mode to be static so that the IP address is static. So you set the IP this way and the gateway, the subnet mask here. So once you do that, you end. End is used to exit and save configuration in FortiGate. But before we go to that, we need to get to know the IP address through which we can get the access to the firewall. So we use the diagonalized IP address list. You can see it is operating on this. So for you to verify that it is reachable, you should first of all check if this is reachable. Just a minute. Ping. You see the IP address, it is reachable. It means we can use this. I'm going to use this IP address to access the FortiGate in the browser. So to access the FortiGate in browser, I'm going to use this. You see, so this is how to access the FortiGate in browser. This is the status of the FortiGate firewall. So to configure as a DHCP server, you'll come on the network. Then on the network, there are two routes. The network is here. Then on the interface, you see the IP address that I have set on the CLI here. It is already here. So you will click on this interface. Then come here, choose the server, then give it 50 or 60, then save. So that's how to configure the DHCP server. We just edit. In the browser it is easy, but if it is in the CLI, these are the commands to use on the CLI. So due to time, I have done it using the CLI. So let me save Once I save, then I confirm. If you see DORA, it means that the server is reachable and is able to give the IP address. You can see. Let me zoom. You see, DORA. Let's ping. Ping the gateway. So let me check here. So it's okay. You can see. So that's how to configure the DHCP server on the FortiGate firewall.